Right now I am having the 7K YouTube subscribers. Most of those subscribers are from the Infinix videos. So in this video we're going to talk about the latest Infinix model, which is known as Infinix S4. So in this video we're going to talk about the specifications of Infinix S4, what is the price, and either you should buy it or not. So without wasting your time, let's continue the video. And before moving on to the Infinix S4 specifications and overall review, so if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So either like or dislike, but do subscribe and don't forget to get notified for the more videos. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Sanrock, you're watching daily tutorials. So in this video we are going to talk about the Infinix upcoming latest model, which might be released in some of the countries, which is the Infinix S4. So this mobile phone comes with the 32 megapixel camera. So you might be wondering that what about the camera? So let me help you with that. The rear camera are the triple sensor cameras. So the 32 megapixel camera is actually the selfie camera. At the back we have the triple rear cameras, but the front camera is 32 megapixel selfie camera, which is the highlight of that mobile phone. So the major other highlights are the 4GB ROM and 64GB storage, which is expandable storage. With the help of 32 megapixel camera, you can take the different images, including the bokeh images, portraits, and a lot of other stuff, including the AI features and modes. So this front camera includes the f2.0 aperture, which helps you to take the beautiful night red photos too. The front camera has a lot of AI beauty modes and 3D beauty modes and lot of other stuff. You can also use the AR stickers you can send to your friends. So if you are a photographer and you want to capture the pictures with the minimum budget smartphone, so this mobile phone comes with the triple camera, including the 13 megapixel, 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel sensors. From these triple cameras, the first one is for the wide angle mode, the second is for the bokeh effect, and third one is the primary sensor. So you can take beautiful wide angle images with this mobile phone, including the portraits and a lot of stuff you can do with the camera. Now let's move on to the front side. At the front we have the stylish screen, including the water drop notch, and with the water drop notch we have absolutely the front 32 megapixel camera, and this screen has the 6.2 inch HD plus display, which helps you to increase your viewing experience. As usual, at the right side of the camera we have the volume rockers and the power on and off button. At the left side we have SIM tray, including the expandable memory storage SD card slot. At the back we don't have only the triple sensor cameras, but also we have the flashlight, including the fingerprint sensor, and this back have the 2-point glass structure, which provides the sparkling outlook design. This mobile phone comes in the dynamic colors, including the blue, black and the purple. Of course, the back of this phone and the front is almost same as the Infinix S3 was. Infinix S4 has the big battery of 4000 mAh, which helps you to use your mobile phone for almost a complete day. It also have the power save mode and smart power consumption technology, which helps your mobile phone to last for almost a day. We almost talk about all the features, but we forget about the memory and the processor. So this mobile phone comes with the 64GB storage, which is absolutely expandable storage, including the 4GB RAM, which might be we will see in the plus version the 6GB RAM, and the processor is absolutely the old processor, which is Helio P22 processor of the MediaTek. So right now, if you think that you should purchase this mobile phone, so I must say that you can purchase if you want to use the mobile phone as a regular user. So if you want to play the games and have the usage, of course you cannot buy this mobile phone. But if you are a regular user, you want to take the only selfies and some portrait shots and a lot of regular stuff on the daily basis, then you can purchase this mobile phone, because this mobile phone price is very low. In Pakistan you can purchase it in almost 2500 PKR rupees, so the approximately price is almost $300. So if you like this video and if you are interested in a mobile phone, do let me know in the comment box. So if you like, please hit the like button. So either like or dislike, but do subscribe and don't forget to notify for the more video. Thank you for watching. Take care. See you next time.